Perhaps on cold winter days, the feeling of sitting in an outdoor cafe, sipping a cup of hot coffee, feeling the cold wind blowing by, and watching the bustling life going on around is truly a memorable experience. And more specifically, today I had a rather interesting evening sitting in this cafe. Right across from where I was sitting, just a few steps away, there was a lady selling grilled food. At first, I just sat and observed, sipping coffee and watching people passing by. But as the time went on, the fragrant smell from the grill wafted over, mixed with the billowing white smoke, making it impossible for me to sit still. She sold all kinds of dishes: red, greasy, fragrant grilled sausages, then plump grilled sausages, giving off a rich, fatty aroma. There were also golden skewers of grilled meat, the fat sizzling on the charcoal stove. What's more special is that she sells bullet eggs, not just normal boiled eggs, but also bullet eggs with sweet and sour tamarind sauce, shiny and shimmering. Not only that, she also prepares grilled rice paper, a divine snack associated with school age. I noticed that in just 15 minutes of sitting here, her stall was packed with young people, groups of 2, 3, then groups of 5 to 7 people pulled up chairs and filled the place. Some friends ate and laughed happily. Some couples sat together grilling rice paper, dipping it in spicy chili sauce. That atmosphere made the winter evening feel warm and close. Unable to hold back any longer, I also ordered a plate of grilled food to try. First was grilled sausage. When you bite into it, you hear a crackling sound. The outside is slightly crispy, the inside is soft and fatty, both fatty and salty. Next is the hot and fragrant grilled sausage, served with a little spicy chili sauce. It must be said that it is a standard winter must-try. Then I tried the grilled meat skewers. The meat was marinated just right, grilled until the edges were slightly burned and fragrant. Finally, I did not forget to try the grilled rice paper. The rice paper was crispy. On top were quail eggs, fried onions, chopped sausage, a little scallion oil, and chili sauce. While eating, I blew on it to cool it down, listening to the sound of the rice paper crackling in my mouth. It was really great. After sitting for a while, I suddenly realized that the surrounding area was full of young people. They sat in groups, ordering a full table of grilled food, eating and chatting animatedly. The winter cold seemed to no longer be a concern because everyone had a plate of hot food steaming. I also drank a sip of hot coffee, picked up another piece of grilled food, feeling like I was enjoying a very memorable evening. Perhaps if I hadn't happened to sit at this cafe, I would have missed an interesting little corner of winter. The dishes are very ordinary and simple, but when placed in the context of a cold evening with the breeze, warm yellow streetlights, and cheerful laughter, they suddenly become surprisingly delicious. I think in winter, if you don't try sitting at an outdoor cafe opposite a sidewalk grill with all kinds of hot and fragrant dishes, it is a real shortcoming. Because just a little bit of a plate of grilled food, a cup of hot coffee, a little smoke rising in the cold wind is enough to bring back unforgettable memories. And so, instead of just sitting and drinking coffee as usual, today I had an extremely memorable experience, enjoying delicious, cheap, and fun sidewalk grill food right in the heart of winter.